All right, so welcome back to White House Farm. What we're doing today is sun driving by. We are putting up one of the new bee boxes back there, and we got a couple new NUCs in. So we got to get these guys transplanted. I gotta check these guys out over here. I think they're dead. They would have been out. Yeah. Darn it. So we think what might have happened is they could have swarmed in the fall time at some point, and when that happens, the majority of the bees follow the queen, and you'll have a couple left, as you see here from on the frames. What goes on is then winter hits and there's not enough bees in there to stay warm, so they all try to huddle together what's left of them. And yeah, you can see like on each one of these frames there was probably a couple hundred on each one, when normally there's about... The new bees will actually get rid of any carcasses left over.
Yeah.
They actually bring them out the hole. Yep. Yeah, that was it. That was the bees. Only ones that were left. Too cold for them. I wonder when we had those...
There's still dripping honey right there.
Yeah, I wonder if when we had those warm days, if they all split. The second thing that possibly could have happened is we had a lot of 70 and 75 degree days in January, but it was freezing cold right before that, and then it was freezing cold right after those couple days, and the bees could have come out when it was warm, but we really don't know. Unfortunately, this is how we found them. This is early spring here, still cold out, but you know, we got to get the NUCs in. Luckily we had a second NUC that we were going to put in one of our other hives, but we just went ahead and redid our original one here and got the new bees in here.
Oh, yeah. How many? How many?
5.
So we cleared out this one, put the new plastic wax dip frames in with these guys, and we got both nukes done. So make sure to check out the other videos on all the bees. Thank you.
You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me.
Alright, Olaf. We'll see you on the next one. Alright, bye, Obo.
Hi, guys.